This is my review of the CanCooker Jr. First of all, my name is Matthew Paul, and I help Amazon customers make buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. The reason that this product is such an insane value and also super versatile is essentially what it is really it's a lot of things, but it's a pressure cooker that you don't need an outlet for. So you could take this camping or you could just do it on the stove. So it's super versatile that way. It's going to be great for using it for typical pressure cooker things, mashed potatoes, beans, stews, soups. If you need to tenderize any like super hard meat, this is going to be what you use, and it's super simple. You just put it in there, you lock it on, you put it on the stove or you put it on the fire, and you slow cook it, and it works. I highly recommend it. Our family uses this at home a lot, but we also have extended family that use this a ton when they go camping out in Colorado. So super good value. Give it a shot. I think this could be a staple part of your kitchen and camping from now on.